In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Binance Pool on the Binance app. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting out, this tutorial will walk you through the necessary steps to begin mining with Binance Pool in just 5 minutes, maximizing your earning potential effortlessly. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. If you don't have the app already, make sure it's installed and up to date on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the More section. From the menu, look for the Pool option. This is your gateway to start mining with Binance, and it's where you'll manage your mining activities. Next, you will need to set up a mining account and connect your mining device. This step is crucial as it sets the framework for your entire mining operation. The process can vary a bit depending on your device, but generally you'll enter some configuration settings to tie your hardware to your Binance account. Having your device properly attached is essential for monitoring and optimizing your output, so ensure that everything is correctly set up before moving forward. Once your device is connected, you can start mining supported coins. Binance Pool allows you to mine popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETHW, and Litecoin, LTC. Choose the coin that best aligns with your interests and market strategies. Each coin comes with its own rewards and complexities, so doing a bit of research beforehand can help you choose the right one. As you begin mining, your earnings will be accumulated. Excitingly, these earnings are credited daily to your Binance Pool wallet under the earnings section. This daily crediting process makes it easy for you to keep track of how much you're making, allowing you to withdraw or reinvest your profits as you see fit. Watching your earnings grow each day can be highly motivating, giving you further encouragement to tweak and optimize your setup. Additionally, there is an option to subscribe to Pool Savings. While this step is entirely optional, it can be a fantastic way to boost your earnings. By subscribing to Pool Savings, you can earn extra daily interest on top of your regular mining income. This effectively means more money in your pocket without any additional effort on your part. If you're interested, reading up on the potential rates and benefits of Pool Savings could be worth your while. And there you have it, a straightforward method to setting up the Binance Pool on the Binance app. Before you know it, you'll be part of a crypto mining community, making strides in the world of digital currencies. Remember to continually monitor your mining activities and make adjustments as necessary to maximize your earnings. Thank you for joining me today, and happy mining.